Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to create your own Deriv third-party app. So you can see that this is my own app, guys. If you look at the name, you can see that this is a Frank FSD bot. So this one is created by me, guys, and I just want to share how I was able to create this, guys. So if you look at here, you can see that I have AI which analyze the market on this thing very well. If they analyze the market, it's going to tell you the one that you can trade. So it will start trading with the analysis of the market. You can see. So this is the Deriv API, and you can actually have your own and start having your own, guys. So before I begin, I just want to explain things about the Deriv API. The Deriv API is that when people trade on your platform, you will get a commission. So you get what? A commission. So and when you get a commission, you and Deriv will share, like Deriv will share, you and Deriv are sharing the commission. So you can see that this my app now is the one that I created and is making profit, and is also helping people as well. So you have to create an app that can actually make profit. So I integrated this AI. So when I discovered that AI is now going viral, so I decided to put this AI on my own. So many people that developer, they have their own style. You can put your own style. So but the main thing here is that Deriv have given us the ability to able to use their own API. So and you build our own app. So if you look at this app, guys, you can see that we have a dashboard, we have a bot builder, we have a chart, and you have a analysis. So all these things are built given by Deriv. So we are the developer that, you know, like if you load this one, you can load and start trading, guys. So this app, people are using it, guys, and we are the one that I'm showing you how you can able to own this Deriv app. So how can you own this thing? So if you go to, let me go to a site that called the Deriv API. So if you go to Deriv API, you can see that Deriv API talked about integrating their API with your own app. So which is actually, if you come here, you can see that Deriv API have changed, like they changed recently, and it is now making it difficult for a new developers to integrate their app. So you have to go to the newly API. So this one I told you, we built this one. If I belong, this one had been built. And going for the Deriv API right now to build this particular one is going to take you a lot of time, and it's going to cost you a lot. Like if you go to Deriv, if you go to this one, like this one also I build it. This one is also mine that I build. So but if you go to Deriv API, GitHub, Deriv API, API, GitHub. So that's where you can actually know more about Deriv API. Like this is where you can actually get some the code of the Deriv API. So but why am I sharing this? Because many people don't know this, but you as a developer, we as a developer, we have able to make it so that people can actually go and actually source this code to actually start using it, guys. So and based on Deriv API, guys, I'm going to leave a free Deriv API that you are going to fork if you want to get it, like free one. I'm going to leave it on a link below so that you can able to fork it and start practicing it. But what I'm telling you is that developing this is actually taking a lot of time and effort as a developer. So I'm giving you this. I know that many developers are going to know. Some don't want to leak this secret for you guys, but I'm going to give you this free thing so that you can start practicing. I know people are not giving you this thing so that you can fork, but I'm going to be giving it out free because I have gone far from this, so I'm going to giving out this a free this thing so that you can start practicing your own Deriv API Deriv third party. So if you want to build it, guys, you can actually let me know. I can integrate it. Like I said, I have this one. You can see that this one and the other one are not the same. So these things are built based on the way we think. All these things are built are the same. Like all these things have the same app, but different customization. So building this app, well, I can remember when I was trying to start, I think around the 2005 or 4, I was looking for somebody who can build this thing. So I was, by then, you know, the money was even cheaper than, and people are telling me to pay about $3,000 that time. So, and now I'm making it available for you guys to actually source this code. So you can actually source the code and start practicing your own. So if you need any help, you can actually reach me on this app, on this Telegram, WhatsApp, so that you can actually reach me. So we can actually, this boat here, build here, can actually build. So like if you want to build this thing, guys, I'm going to explain more things, guys. Like if you fork this code, if you go to GitHub, because GitHub is a developer where developers are forking this thing. Like I said, I'm going to give you a link on this thing so that you can actually fork your own, and you can actually start coding it. Like if I click here, I can go to code space. This is where I normally code my own. I can go to, I can see I'm using mobile, and I also can code this thing on my mobile phone. But coding it on a mobile phone, it requires a lot of you know, it's too small, so at times I use a screen this thing. But I'm just linking you a script that people don't know, that many people do not know. So and this is how you can able to start developing your own code and building your own code. So this is a GitHub code space that where we build the code. So as a developer, we are building many things here, guys, and not only Deriv API, but you can actually start coding your own. So and if you source the code, actually let me know, guys, so that you can actually start using your own, guys. So this is where the Deriv API was built, and this is where the app was built, and you can see. So if I start now, I can actually start now telling this like building this app here and coding my own. Like I can say something like here, guys, I can start coding something here and start coding. But this is mobile, because I cannot start coding it immediately because I'm using mobile. But I'm just telling you an example like how you can use it on your desktop, guys. Sometimes when I'm not with my desktop, I can actually click on this and use a desktop screen and start coding it on my mobile. But it is very like it's not simple, it's not friendly, it's not a mobile friendly. So I must tell you that it's not a mobile friendly. So I use a device to code this thing, guys. So this is how you can actually start building your own Deriv API and Deriv bot, Deriv API third-party app. So this is a Deriv API third-party app, and I can start say NPM. Like if I want to know some things here, I can say I know that many people are not. This thing I'm looking for you guys is not what people are developer are not want to hear. They don't want to hear this. NPM install. Why I'm telling you all this is because I passed a lot before I began to learn my own. So, but it's not. I'm just giving you this free knowledge because you can see npm install. This is, you can see it start installing. A code here. So you that as a developer, you don't know what is npm. You don't know what is npm. So this thing is what you have to understand, and you can start as a developer, start practicing this. I use this Deriv API to practice on this thing, guys. I use it to practice on a third-party app, and it taught me a lot, guys. And that is it, guys. So if you want to start practicing it and you want to be using this Deriv API API, you can actually reach me and start your own Deriv API. And one thing about Deriv API is that you earn a commission. Like if you go to Deriv, like you can set it on the Deriv API. I don't want to go to the Deriv API to show you, because they have said they have changed each. If it's the older one, I would have log in and show you how to create your own this thing, so that you can create your own Deriv API, Deriv commission. So you have your own commission. You can set it like 3, you can set it like 2, 1, 2, 3. So when somebody trade on your account, when somebody traded on your account like this, you see it, then you get what? A commission. Like if somebody trade on my app now, I will get what? A commission. Whether the person is lost or gain, I will make what? A commission. So this app is built to help people, don't build the app to make it this thing. I was making a video, somebody contacted me, tell me I should build like he told me about this Deriv API, that you want to get this Deriv this Deriv third party. So he told me to build this own, so that he can use a demo can look like a real account. So I told the person that no, I don't build it. So imagine, so there's many things that I don't like. I don't want to build my own to be like real, like look like a demo, like this 10,000 demo now, it will look like a real account. No, I don't want to do that. So, and many of you might be seeing it on the YouTube and thinking that it's actually real. So what thing I'm telling you here is that what I want to build is to make something that can make money, guys. So this my AI I put here is actually useful, guys, and you can see that it analyzes market. And when it analyzes market, plus somebody that traded it can actually, you can see that it's making profit. Somebody can actually, when it make a loss, it can actually regain, like it can actually target and regain, guys. So this is one of the things I want you to know. Like this, somebody trade it, I will still make what? I will still make a profit from it. Like if somebody trade it, somebody make a gain or make a loss. So you as a developer will be making commission. So, and you can actually go and try this my app. If you don't have a strength to develop, you can actually start using this my app. So, but what I'm telling you is that if you are a trader, if you're a developer and you want to start develop your own third-party app, then this is a nice nice journey to begin. This is a very nice place to begin and start developing your own, guys. So this is what I just want to share with you on how to develop your own Deriv API. So I will see you in my next video.